Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of everyday carry EDC gear, the awesome tools you keep on you for any situation. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just like being prepared, these gadgets can seriously up your game. So let's jump right in. First up, we have the Streamlight MicroStream. Don't let the size fool you, this little guy packs a punch. With a whopping 250 lumens on high mode, it can light up the night. Need something more subtle? It also has a handy 50 lumen low mode. Plus, it's rechargeable. No more scrambling for tiny batteries. This light is perfect for clipping on your pocket or hat, making it a true EDC champion. Next up, we've got a classic EDC essential, the folding knife. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops is built for everyday use. The partially serrated blade is great for tackling multiple tasks, and the secure liner lock keeps it safe when closed. This ambidextrous knife opens easily with the thumb stud or flipper, so lefties and righties can both enjoy its functionality. Who needs a bulky wallet weighing you down? The Buffway Slim Minimalist wallet keeps things sleek and streamlined. It's crafted from genuine leather and features 8 slots for your cards and cash. But the real star of the show is the built-in RFID blocking technology. This keeps electronic thieves from stealing your credit card information so you can shop with peace of mind. I made a mistake here, so we're getting a bonus. Let's talk about 2 EDC essentials, pens and portable chargers. A good pen is a must-have, and the Sharpie S Gel is a fantastic option. With smear-proof ink and a comfy grip, it lets you write smoothly and confidently. Now, we all know the struggle of a dead phone. The INIU portable charger is your pocket-sized hero. This incredibly thin charger boasts a massive 10,000 mAh capacity, enough to top up your phone multiple times. Plus, it has a built-in USB-C port for both charging in and out, making it super versatile. Sometimes the best tech is analog. The PAPERAGE Lined journal notebook is a beautiful way to jot down ideas, thoughts, or anything that inspires you. The high-quality paper means no bleed-through, and the lay-flat design makes writing comfortable for everyone. It even comes with a handy pocket and sticker labels for personalization. For those who need to carry a lot, the SHRRADOO travel laptop backpack is a dream come true. This spacious backpack features a dedicated laptop compartment and tons of pockets for all your essentials. It even has a built-in USB charging port to keep your phone juiced up on the go. Comfort is key too, with breathable mesh padding and adjustable straps for all-day carrying ease. A watch is a timeless EDC item, and the Timex Expedition Scout is built to last. This rugged watch features a durable brass case, a water-resistant design, and a handy Indiglo backlight for seeing the time in low light. With a classic look and modern functionality, it's the perfect companion for any adventure. So there you have it. These are just a few of the many amazing EDC gadgets out there. What are your EDC must-haves? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more everyday carry contents.